I want not only producers, actors, and other people to get interested in this. I want this to become a TikTok musical if you guys will allow it, or a YouTube musical. So once again, I've never done this before. Please listen to 10 seconds of this song.
You said you wanted to see me. Here we are, women and children, 17. You know, looks are deceiving. To me, their lives are everything. You think you're looking at children. You think you're looking at infants with open arms. You don't see how we're building a wall that outlasts your concrete ones. You think. Do you think so little? Those who don't think like you think like they do.
That is a message for the centuries, because at the end of the day, the retail investors and the little people have constantly been fighting back, and that's what this channel is all about. So I've been writing it with that heart in mind. Hopefully you guys can hear it, you guys can see it. This is my first time writing anything like this, so please let me know what you guys think.